double-sided restaurant commercial hood. First off, overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 48 inches. A height of 24 inches. And a depth of 48 inches. 4 grease trap filters will be included, one to the left, one to the right, top and bottom. And please note, on the back end of the hood must require pre-drilling. Light bulbs located on the top and bottom, and each light bulb is NSF approved. The measurements for each grease trap filter include (19.5 inches in length by 19.5 inches in depth. Filters can be removed and inserted back onto the track. And again, the filters will be included for the top and bottom, and the back end must require drilling. Coming to the back of the hood, we have our wiring that's required for the light bulbs on the top and bottom. And coming to the left and right top and bottom are the corner brackets. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.